Hello and welcome to Dreamforge World. I'd like to tell you about a new exciting project that we are working on, and it's particularly built for veterinarians and vet clinics to help them bring their tools and systems up to date to modern systems, modern standards with smart automations and integrations. We hope you will take a look at it, and we're currently in pilot phase, and we are inviting people to try it and give us their feedback, and we hope to make it perfect for your current needs. So here we are at the home page. If you want to check it out, go to vets.dreamforgeworld.com. And the idea is, after extensive research and a long career in IT, I've decided that this is something that will help clinics, veterinarian clinics in particular, modernize their systems. I know one of the main friction pain points to migrate from old clunking systems is data migration. So I made data migration the key focus and a free service. So when we're ready to go into production, your data will be safe, it will be secure, and I will help you migrate from the old system or systems into our modern Dreamforge Vets system. So let's start by looking at the features that we are planning, and many of them have already been implemented. So the goal is we want to make you productive from day one. So this way you'll reduce your front desk friction, you'll have cleaner handoffs across your teams, and a switch that feel manageable. I will be there all the way to help you. You will not be left alone. As a background, I grew up in a medical family. My dad was a medical doctor and my uncle was a veterinarian. So I'm very passionate about medical industry and software. In fact, at university, I was the team lead who built a medical application that won national programming competition in South Africa at the Nelson Mandela University. I understand that many people are only just beginning to harness the power of AI carefully and skeptically. And this is the right approach. I want to make sure that any AI or automation that we introduce in our system is properly trained, safe to use, and relevant and actually helpful. So let me introduce you to Athena, which is our AI training assistant. So she has big aspirations, but we're starting her off to be like an onboarding assistant, or when you hire new staff, help them get familiar with the system. In the scheduling area, we are working hard to keep the front desk moving with a schedule that is easy to read, easy to adjust, and built to reduce missed appointments before they become lost time. As we continue the migration and updates of our system and your system, you will see these check marks that shows features that are ready to be tested and coming soon features. And with your help, we will extend the list if there's something in particular that you missed. So please feel free to reach out and tell us what feature you would like to see that you may not see currently. For patient records, we will give every provider the context that they need without digging through tabs, paper, and disconnected notes during busy clinic days. I understand growing up in a medical family and practice how crazy it can get with appointments. So we want to make it possible that the system saves time, not waste time. Here are some of the features that's in progress, in testing phase and coming soon. Take a look. Let us know if anything is missing. On the owner portal, we are giving the owners of your pets access directly to you. It will allow them to see their appointments, upload documents, see details about the pet, vaccinations, and a lot more. Even invoicing, they'll be able to pay directly in the portal while also getting reminders for invoice payments. We understand that money is important to everyone, so therefore we're building an extensive billing management and capturing system that helps you keep track of what's going on from the financial side. One of the key things is to improve communication. We will also do SMS reminders and email reminders and in dashboard in-app reminders to the patients and their owners. We start off with an extensive list of operational reports And if there's anything in particular that is unique to your practice or clinic, let us know. We'll gladly add that at no extra cost. We're also working on a detailed inventory and pharmacy solution that integrates with the system, as well as prescription records and how they are managed. Then we're going to start off with a bunch of financial reports that helps you keep track of the flow of money and revenue that you can also export. If there's a need to direct integration with your accounting systems, that's something that we will provide as well. Otherwise, you will always be able to export the data. The data is yours. We don't want to keep it. We don't want to lock you. This is how we currently email invoices, and that you will be able to use to email invoices to your patients and clients. And so just to conclude, switching should not disrupt patient care. We want fast time to value. We want guided onboarding through the help of Athena and extensive help guide in the system and very secure data ownership. I have a 30-year career in enterprise security and have never lost or exposed any personal data. So I'm very proud of that record, and I've transferred this to our standards and strategy for building Dreamforce Vets. So let me invite you to join us on a free trial. Just a word of explanation. Do not sign up actual production clients and work yet. This is just a pilot phase as an opportunity for the early adopters to get a feel for the system, to orientate the system. And please use this option to talk about setup options that we can help to customize for you. So just send us a message over here. You can also email directly here or text me here and I'll call you right back. I am based in Fort Myers, but I also have an office in Northeast Georgia. But I intend to service my clinic for Dreamforce Vets across the United States. Here are some of the frequently asked questions that I've already gotten from vets that are interested. And so read through those. Let us know if you have additional questions. Please feel free to check out our privacy policy, terms of service, the help center to contact us, the pricing and the features that we've walked through. And so just as a reminder, here are some of the reasons that clinics might want to consider switching and use our system. We specifically build this around daily outcomes, not disconnected modules. Everything is working together and communicates to each other in a secure database messaging way. If you're a pet owner, you'll be able to access your records through this login. As a vet at a clinic and or the partners at the clinic, we support multiple doctors working at the clinic. But if you're not yet ready to try out the pilot or have questions, you can just sign up here to get a monthly update on the development progress. We are about 85% complete. So please tell us your team size over here and your details. Obviously, this information is confidential. We will not sell or use it in any other way, just to reach out to you to give you an automatic status on development. But I like to talk to people. I like to help people. I like to hear your pain points. So let's start with that. I want to make sure that the solution really adds value to you. Thanks for your time. My name is Emile de Tooy, the creator of Dreamforce Vets. This might change before we launch, but keep looking at this page here under vets.dreamforceworld.com pricing, where you can compare the plans in detail. We believe in not making you pay for storage of services or features that you're not using. So we give a generous free storage, and only if and when you exceed the storage, and only during the period that you exceed the storage, will we add on a small charge for extra storage if needed. But my research has shown that these values here, 5 GB and 10 GB, is more than enough to run a typical vet clinic. easy to compare the plans, so take your time and walk through this. Any questions, let me know.